Christ, I think I just got shot at.
So one thing I really enjoy about the summer is the extended hours after work. I'm gonna fish this just freaking beautiful river. I'm literally just driving roadside. I'm in Idaho. This looks good, and we're gonna go fishing. I got 2 setups with me. I got my 3-weight, and I've got a Sculptzilla on the 3-weight, and in my holster I've got my 5-weight with a turd in the worm. I think it could be the ticket. Let's go find out. Let's do this fish on.
Man, this just looks really good. Right along these rocks here. Oh, had a grab. This looks good up here. You can kind of see how the river rushes up here. And then kind of, there's a shelf, drops off and slows down. That could be really good fish holding water. Run my big old streamer through here. See what happens. See if I can catch just the edge so this kind of falls off. There we go. Oh, you didn't like that. Dude, he's jumped up on the bank. Oh my God. Wow. This guy literally jumped up on the bank. That's crazy. He's got some hops. Nice little rainbow. No. Come on, Sage. Why? Why does this happen? Seriously, what the actual fuck?
I've been a loyal fan for 35 years or more. At least I brought a second rod, thank goodness. TCR series. This was about 25 years old, so we should be good. I'm gonna try floating the turd in the worm in that same spot I caught a fish on the Sculptzilla, because I don't feel like switching back over. All right, let's go see if we can catch a fish and things don't fall apart.
There we go. Oh, had him. Dang it. There we go. Oh, and he's gone. Dang it. Christ, I think I just got shot at. Holy shit. Time to leave. Wow, that was a bullet that whizzed by. So, as awesome as the fishing is, it's not worth dealing with that. So, I'm getting out of here. Wow. That's probably the first time that's ever happened to me. Crazy. All right, now that I'm safely in my car, so yeah, anyway, I am in Idaho. But anyway, yeah, never had that happen to me before. I'm a little bit shocked and a little bit freaked out, to be completely honest with you. Wow, yeah. I can't remember ever hearing a bullet buzz over my head. Nuts. Now that I've collected myself, let's see if there's fish down here. Oh, there we go. Jeez, these fish hit like a giant fish. They're so acrobatic. Nice, long release.
Oh, geez, another good fish. Oh, there we go. Man, they hit it hard. I just have 4X tippet, so I got to be kind of careful. It's like a solid fish. Nice. Appears to be cutthroat, spunky fish. There we go. Oh, sweet. It's a brook trout. Look at this. I did not expect to find brook in here. It's pretty cool. Well, all in all, it was a great day. I caught 3 species of fish. I caught a rainbow, a cutthroat, and a brook trout. Pretty darn cool. I was one way from a grand slam, and is that a whitefish or a brown trout in a single day? Let me know down in the comments. But thanks for joining me, and until the next time, fish on. There we go. Nice. Bonus fish. And looks like it's a rainbow.